Electric charges and fields, inter-second year physics, 4 marks question, most important, short answer question number 2. Define intensity of electric field at a point. Derive the expression for the intensity of electric field due to point charge. In the previous video, we explained what is the intensity of electric field. Now, we are going to derive the formula or expression for the intensity of the electric field due to point charge which is placed in the electric field. Consider it is a point stationary charge which is placed at the point O. Then it creates electric field around itself. దీని చుట్టూ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ను క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్. సో క్యూ అనేటువంటిది ఒక పాయింట్ చార్జ్. సో కన్సిడర్ క్యూ ఈజ్ ఏ పాయింట్ చార్జ్ ప్లేస్డ్ అట్ ద O. Then it creates electric field around itself and it is the direction of electric field. Now P is a point. We are considering P is a point in the electric field which is created by this charge. So distance from here to here is R. So P is considered a point in the electric field at a distance R from O. Next, to find the intensity of electric field at the point P, now we are considering a unit positive charge Q0. Then the force acting on this charge at this point due to this charge. Due to this charge, the force acting on this charge at this point is called intensity of electric field. So, first we write what is intensity of electric field definition. Intensity of electric field. The force experienced by force is denoted by F, experienced by. So unit positive charge. This is a unit positive charge. దీని పైన దీని నుంచి వచ్చే ఫోర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ బై యూనిట్ positive charge. Here it is denoted by Q0. Placed in the electric field at a point. So this is a unit positive charge which is placed at a point P in the electric field created by this charge is called intensity of electric field. So it is also called strength of the electric field. It is a vector quantity, but it is denoted by the letter E bar, but magnitude of this one is denoted by E equal to F by Q0. So it is a formula for intensity of electric field. Consider it is equation 1. Now, description and formula derivation. So, derivation of expression for the intensity of electric field. Derivation of expression we are going to derive. So consider a point charge Q is placed at O which produces electric field around itself and the medium is air. So description, let a point charge It is a stationary. Q is placed at O in the medium air. Then it produces electric field around itself. So then it produces electric field around itself up to certain distance. Let P be a point at a distance small r from O, where unit so let P be a point at a distance r from O where unit positive charge is considered. Now the force of the charge acting on this test charge means, so for testing how much of force is there, a unit positive charge is placed here which is called test charge. దీని నుంచి దీనిపైన ఎంత ఫోర్స్ పనిచేస్తూ ఉందో ఆ ఫోర్స్ని ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అంటాం. సో ద ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఆన్ దిస్ చార్జ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్. సో నౌ ఫ్రమ్ కూలుమ్స్ ఇన్వర్స్ స్క్వేర్ లా, from Coulomb's inverse square law. So we know that the force of attraction or repulsion between the two charges is given by F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Here Q1 is taken as this is Q, Q2 is taken as this is Q naught, and distance between them is R, so R is taken as R. So this implies F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1 means we can write here Q, Q2 means Q naught, R means R, R square means R square. So now multiply the above equation with 1 by Q naught on both sides. So this implies, that is, we are multiplying this F with 1 by Q naught and this entire formula 1 by Q naught. So F into 1 by Q naught is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q naught by R square into 1 by Q naught. Multiplied with 1 by Q naught on both sides, then Q naught get cancelled, and this can be written as F by Q naught is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, and remaining term is Q by R square. So now from equation 1, students, from equation 1, E is equals to F by Q naught. So here F by Q naught is there. So from equation 1, so for this we can write E. E is intensity of electric field. So force experienced by unit positive charge placed in the electric field at a point P is called intensity of electric field. So F by Q naught is nothing but intensity of electric field. So this is E is equals to 1 by F by Q naught means we are writing E. So E is the intensity of electric field, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square, where epsilon naught is a permittivity of free space. Free space means air or vacuum. So this is the most important question. In the next video, we explain another important question, that is derivation of equation for the couple acting on electric dipole in uniform electric field. Most important question in the coming video.